Okay, Riker, we forgot to give you a present. Okay, you can bring it in. Stay right there.
What is going on here?
I don't know.
Where is my DS?
Your DS is right here. You can play with that in just a minute.
Can you take this off with me?
Not quite yet.
Now?
Okay, now you can open it. Yeah, take it off.
Oh my gosh! Hey! I've always wanted a kitten!
Uh-oh, those Spangler. That's your very own kitten.
Oh my gosh!
What do you think?
Yes, I love it!
What do you do? What do you want to name her?
Cupcake.
Cupcake?
Can't believe I got my own kitten! Thanks! Where'd you get it?